So Kyrie 5, okay, not bad. Going for 110. Use that 30% off. 60 bucks. I actually bought a pair of these and then sold them. Not bad. Use that 30% off. Friends and family 30% off, man. You get these for a real good price. All right, for those of you guys who need to step up your fanny pack game. Oh, see, this is what I'm talking about. The Vomeros, 65. What's going on, YouTube viewers? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. We're back for another Nike outlet video, you guys. Back at another Nike outlet. That's what you guys want, so that's what you guys get. Because, yeah, some of my other videos don't do as well, so yeah, I'm gonna give you guys what you guys want. So yeah, we're at the Nike outlet out in Long Beach. This is one of my favorite ones, and we do actually have Bosco. We got Bosco joining with us.
Trying to see what's going on, man. He told me a lot about this one, so hopefully we can find some good stuff here, you know what I mean?
So yeah, so you know, I go to a hell of a lot more outlets than most other people. So I had to drag him along with me. So yeah, so let's go find some deals as usual, you guys. Find some deals. Go see what's up, you guys. Go see what's up. Try to get some friends and family deals. All right, let's start with the size 10s, you guys. Never seen this colorway. Okay. Khaki colorway with like red accents and the red bottom part. Not bad. 120. 120 for these Air Max 90s. Not bad. Not bad. If you get that friends and family, you get that little extra. Dang, these Vapor Max go for regular price? Usually they don't go for regular price, do they? Oh, that's crazy. Really not much in the 10s. Let's go to the 10.5s. Zoom Fly Nets. These are the React ones. 80 bucks, not bad. Some SBs, Nike SB Charge. That's interesting. A bunch of different colors, not bad. Not bad for just some regular canvas shoes. 50 bucks. Not bad. Alright, oh, excuse me. Not much in the 10.5, you guys, man. Really not much. Alright, let's go for the Jordan 5 Laneys. Not bad. Go for 140. The Laneys, not bad. Not bad. Friends and family, you get an extra 30% off. Got some Pro Trail ones. These are the 81 pointers, the one he got 81 points in, but these aren't the limited one with the 81s on the end, on the back. Oh, not bad, not bad. They better not be going for retail because that's crazy, crazy hot. What are these? What are these? What the hell? Huh? I've never seen these. Air Zoom Mox? Yeah, I've never seen these. These are weird. Not bad though. Going for what, 140? I'm good on that, but I'm sure some of you guys like it, or someone likes it. Air Force Max, you guys. Dude, you guys use that friends and family, man. That's what's up. $69. That friends and family, man. That brings it down big time. The size 11s. The Jordan 33s is a desert colorway. Go for 150, man. I don't understand how these prices don't go down on these, man. I've seen these for so much cheaper. All right, I'm not a big fan of the skate shoes, but I don't know. Who's into these? I don't know. Is that? I don't know. Are any guys into this one? One of the Janowskis. I don't know. Anybody into this one? Let me know, you guys. Let me know. Yeah, those look terrible. Janowski mid-arm crafted? Weird. Those look weird. Flytrap 2s. Going for a slight discount. Black with gold. Not bad. Big thing is if you use your friends and family, that brings it down big time. That brings them down big time. Not bad. Size 12. Got the PGs. PGs, not bad. 89 bucks, not bad. Especially if you use your friends and family, 30% off. These guys like to work out, 70 bucks. Not bad. Metcon 3s. Dang, these prices are crazy. 100 bucks for soldiers? Like some old ass soldiers, really? Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, you size 13 people. I don't really see much, you guys. Don't really see much. The Proto React. That's not bad if you use your friends and family. Not terrible. Even these are 90. Damn, I don't know. Everything seems a little high today, you guys. We're in the size 15s. 109. Okay, starting to get better, but how many people are gonna be able to buy these, man? 14s, yeah, see? $89. See, that's a solid deal. But yeah, look at how big you gotta get, man. You gotta get size 14s. These as well, the Alpha Ducks. Going for 180, going for retail. Oh, I got some B grade, you guys. Got some B grade. I don't even mean to clown on these, because they actually don't look that bad. Mellow 13s, you guys. Mellow 13s. And you can see some of the glue right there. See some of the glue that's gone through, that's red. That's why these are B grades, because pretty much most of the shoes are like that. Yeah, see all the glue that bled through. That's why these are B grades. That's why these are B grades. They usually say it on the top, so yeah, you don't get that B grade thing. But yeah, 160. I thought these were sold out. Crazy. Last one, you guys. Last big one. 90 bucks for some PG3s, man. These look huge. Probably because they are huge. But yeah, get a slight discount, 90 bucks. These are friends and family, get an extra 30, not bad. Size 9, see a couple of blazers. The blazers going for 50 bucks. Some Kyrie 5s, okay, not bad. Going for 110. Use that 30% off. Not bad. Tailwinds, these are like the same shoes I've seen everywhere. Don't know the size. 60 bucks. I actually bought a pair of these and then sold them. Not bad. Not bad, you guys. I sold these, I think, for 120 a while ago. Yeah, not bad. No clue what this one is. What is this? Some sort of Chevy Blaze? I said Chevy Blazer. Some sort of Nike SB. I guess the Bruin Low. Soft as hell. Oh my gosh. Look at how soft it is. Yeah. That might be one of the best deals here, you guys. Might be one of the best deals here. 40 bucks. Especially if you use that friends or family. We got the LeBron 16 lows. $120. Not bad, not bad. Especially if you use that 30% off. 120 is kind of high, but use that 30% off, not bad. Got some Elements. The extra busted up box. Go for 80 bucks, all right. How are these LeBron 16 glows going for so much? Still 159? Really? Wow. I saw these for 100 at Sheep Palace like eons ago. That's crazy. All right, we're gonna go to the aisles, you guys. We're done with the clearance section, men's clearance section. Make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you guys like this video. And make sure you guys leave me a comment on what you guys think is the best shoe you've seen so far. Yeah, their aisle section here is pretty freaking weak, you guys. Pretty weak. Yeah, the Jordan section here is one of the weakest Jordan sections I've seen. Oh man, I'm getting sad I drove all the way over here. This is their heat wall. Man, I swear the prices have gone up. How did the prices go up? You see, I remember all these being like, I don't know. Did they have at least one or two that were 100 last time I was here? I don't know, I'm gonna have to look at the video. All right, for those of you guys who need to step up your fanny pack game, you guys need to grab these. 30 bucks. Damn, these are pricey as well, man. I've never seen these for like $17 or something, man. All right, who's getting these? Anybody dying to get these? Let me know. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, you guys. Let me know your thoughts on this one. Alright, these haven't gone down in price at all. Dang. Air Max Deluxe. Damn, that's actually a really good price. 75 bucks. Use that 30% off. Friends and family 30% off, man. You get these for a real good price. I'm not sold on the colorway though. The Volt's not bad. That little orange, I don't know. I don't think the colors go very well on this one. Let me know what you guys think. Yeah, these might be the best shoes here so far. $129. This is definitely the best shoe here. Best sneaker here, you guys. $129. Still kind of high though. That's probably why they got all kinds of sizes. 8 all the way to 11 and a half. I wonder why they don't have the bigger size. Oh no, they got till 13. 13. Yeah, not bad, you guys. Not bad. Oh, they got some more fanny packs. Look, this one has like that iridescent color. At least that's kind of cool about it. But yeah, I don't know. When you go swimming and you want to leave your keys, I don't know. That's weird. Seems like that Doyer gear. The Doyer gear is still going for 30 bucks. It looks like they're going for MSRP. They're pullovers. Hella soft, you guys. Hella soft. Going for 39. Just checked. 39. You do get a 30% off on top of that. Not bad. They got all kinds of sizes. Mediums, larges, extra larges. Not bad. Got some more 30% off action. I'm pretty sure you're able to use your friends and family on top of this too. So you get 30% off and then another 30% off. But yeah, there's 55 bucks for a jacket. Not bad. $20 plus 30% off, and then use your friends and family. I've been told you get another 30% off. 54 for these. These are dope too, man. I'm a big fan of these. The back with the Jumpman logo on it. Not bad, you guys. 54. Use that friends and family. 20 bucks. 20 bucks. Use that friends and family. Same rack. 20 bucks. Plethora of graphic tees. Whole lot of them, you guys. Whole lot of them. Dang. Stacks and stacks of them. Check out the women's heat wall. These are not bad, dude. Especially if you got friends and family, man. Get that down big time. 190 to under 100. I'd bring that under 90, dang. Like 80, 86 bucks or something. Not bad. 90 bucks. Not bad. Alright, nothing special. I don't know. I do love the foams, but yeah, I'm not a big fan of floral design and stuff. Not bad. Dang, I feel like the women's section got better shoes than the guys section today. Look at these. Big fan of these. $139. The regular price isn't bad. Use our friends and family though. Friends and family. That'll bring it down to a regular price or a good price. Air Force One Gesture. I think the Gesture ones means like it's like way high or something. Cause yeah, when I've seen these. I've seen the Gesture ones, like the bottom portion have been like 2 inches instead of like the regular 1 inch or so, but these would be fire. These would be dope if they were just not so tall. But I do like the feel, do like stuff. Not bad. Not bad. Yeah, man. Women's section got way more heat than the guys. Look at this. This is dope. I think we've seen these before. That little the rose design and stuff on it. Yeah, this is a lot more unique than any of the stuff in the guys section. Go for 100 bucks too. 100 bucks too, guys. That is a solid deal. 70 bucks off. And you use that friends and family, you're getting a real good deal. Going for retail, but yeah, not bad. 270 Reacts. All black. You can't go wrong with all black shoes, right? Yeah, not bad. Great budget option for the ladies. See, this is not the dopest shoe, but you know, 45 bucks, and on top of that, you get 30% off if you use your friends and family. Yeah, that brings it to 32, 31. Dang. Some Air Max Estrella. It's like different leathers. There's a buck leather, and then there's like a suede with long hair. And then the upper is a synthetic material. It's an interesting shoe. Only going for 50 bucks, you guys. 50 bucks, man. Great budget option, dude. Especially with that friends and family discount. See? Women's section, way better stuff, you guys. Way better stuff. Got a floral print on it. Way doper than the guys, you guys. A little expensive though. Yeah, you know, 35%. These are 30% off. Oh, see, this is what I'm talking about. The Vomeros, 65. Damn, these are comfortable as hell, man. Remember, these are all React. Got Air Zoom as well. Dang, dope shoes, dope running shoes. See, we're getting to the bigger sizes. We're getting to the bigger sizes with the women, but still way more heat than the guys, you guys. Still one more heat, man. This is dope. That's dope. Especially if you use that friends and family. Some Air Max 98s. An interesting colorway. 100 bucks. We've seen these $70 for some Air Max 95. These are the premium. I don't know what makes them premium, but yeah, these are the premium ones. Forrest Gump. Cortezes. EXP 14s. Dang, dude, the material is way softer than the typical ones. It's usually a synthetic upper and usually really cheap, but yeah, those actually are premium. Not bad. 50 bucks. Blazers. Blazer mids. Not bad. The Tencos, these are the dad shoes. So from the women's section, does that make this the mom shoes? I don't know. Got some Vapor Max acronyms. Might be the coolest shoe we just found. One of the workers just showed it to us. Yeah, this might be the coolest shoe here. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think, because I don't know. I'm kind of iffy on them covering up this air portion, bubble portion right here. Kind of like seeing these on Vapor Maxes. Let me know what you guys think. Yeah, these aren't bad, you guys. I don't know. It just trips me out on the bottom. Like Vapor Max, you're supposed to be able to see through them, but they look dope. Look, you know, the upper is very comfortable. You know, looks like a Flyknit type of upper. You know, but yeah, not bad, not bad. It's a size 4.5 for kids or men's. I don't know what the hell, but yeah. Apparently, if the price goes up, you know, they call it a men's instead of a kids. But yeah, not bad. These might be the coolest shoes we've seen here, though. Alright, I think that's it for the outlet, you guys, for the Long Beach outlet. Sorry I didn't get to talk to Bosco that much. He's doing his thing, I'm doing my thing, so we're trying to cram as much content because we're actually hitting up a few more outlets today. We're doing like a marathon of outlets today. So yeah, so we're both trying to get content, so I didn't really get to include them too much in this video, but yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe, make sure you guys like this video, make sure you have that notification bell on and whatnot. But yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. Make sure you guys watch all my other videos. I have like at least 100 more videos. So yeah, make sure you guys go check those out. And see you in the next one, you guys. Peace.